In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a website with free hosting and a domain. Let's get started. Open your preferred browser and type pantheon.io in the search bar. This will take you to the official Pantheon website. In the top right corner of the Pantheon website, click the Start Free button. This will take you to the Sign Up page. Sign in using your Google account or manually fill in your credentials such as name, email, and password. For this example, we will sign up using Google. After signing in, you will be directed to the Pantheon.io dashboard. Here you need to fill in some final details such as your first name, last name, country, and agency status. Click the checkbox agreeing to the terms and conditions, then click the Continue button. You will now be taken to the Pantheon.io workspace page. You will get a pop-up labeled Let's Create Your Site. Click the Create a Site button to proceed. On the Setup page, choose the type of site you want. For this example, we will go with a WordPress site. Click WordPress from the options provided. Next, give your site a name and choose the region for your site's operation. Click Continue at the bottom to proceed. Your WordPress website will start deploying. Wait for a few minutes for the deployment process to complete. After a few minutes, you will be directed to your site's WordPress setup page. Here, enter your site title, username, password, and email, which you will use to log into WordPress later on. Finally, click Install WordPress at the bottom of the page to complete the installation process. Congratulations! WordPress has been successfully installed on your site. Click the Login button to access your brand new WordPress site. Enter your username and password to log in, and you're ready to start customizing and managing your website.